Again.
Crazy, dog.
Man, that guy's loaded so bad.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Are you following me now?
You better have a hell of a reason for being here.
I'm looking for my sister.
Are you being intentionally dense?
Huh?
Hey, what's up?
What's good, G? What the
Yo,
fuck
can I
is
get a
this, dog?
spot?
What the fuck is this?
Nah, bro, get that shit out of here.
What's wrong with
Get
it?
out of here.
Okay. Oh
Yeah,
my
get down
god.
from here.
What the fuck? The hell? Why are they so mean, bro?